Hi everyone, this is NancyAnger, and today is Thursday, May 27th, I think. Let's see, May 27th, yes. And we just had a full supermoon and eclipse, and right now we are in a 2 week powerful portal for energy for accelerating our growth. So whether you're listening this to this now during this 2 week period or sometime in the future, the information is still all going to be relevant. So I was just feeling inspired to come on and make a quick video on like tapping into or becoming aware and knowing like what is the highest choice for us in any given moment in any given situation. So there's a lot of ways or factors or things that each person might filter information through. Some people might feel like, oh, I feel things in my gut if it feels right or wrong, right? Sometimes if you ever made a decision and maybe your gut said no, and then you said yes, and then later you said, oh, my gut was telling me no, I didn't listen. It's okay. It's how we learn. And then there's the heart, right? Coming from the heart. The heart is, I think, a portal to the soul. And that's really the times we're in now, right? The time of Aquarius, the Aquarian age, the air element, and that's connected to the heart chakra, right? And the heart, I feel, is connected to our soul, to really tapping into the higher part of ourself through the heart. And so when we drop down into the heart and check in from that place, and the heart has like, there's tons of studies and science and research on the ability and the potential and the energy field of the heart, which I'm not going to go into right now. But the heart, when I do Akashic records or any things like that, it's like, or just check in, I check in with my heart. And then of course there's the head, there's the brain, the logical thinking piece, and then there's like the mind or the witness or the deeper self. So I've been doing some pineal sessions to help people connect that in using sound codes, but today is just a quick tip, a simple tip on how to check in with yourself when you have something, a situation coming up, or something where you're trying to figure out, is this a yes or a no? Is this the highest choice? I don't want to say good, bad, right, wrong, because there really is no such thing. There's only the choices we make, but each choice leads to something different. So, and here it is. So say you have a situation going on, say you're trying to decide if you should take a new job, that there's a job there, a job offer, and you're trying to figure out, would this be in my highest to take this job? So what you do is, I like to first close your eyes, take a breath, close your eyes, and I like to drop down into the heart, drop into the body. You might take a couple breaths, and then you imagine, say on one side now, first think about, imagine yourself taking this job, like see yourself there, feel it. Maybe you don't see it, but just feel, what does it feel like if you imagine yourself taking this job? Whatever senses you can bring to it, bring to them. And you might feel something right away. You might take a moment and then bring your energy back from that, come back into your center, let that go. Take another breath. And now imagine yourself not taking that job, going on with things as they are, not taking that job, or it could be taking a different job. Maybe you have a choice between two jobs, but imagine yourself now doing something different or not doing anything. And then notice how that feels. Now bring your awareness back and check in with yourself. Which one felt more expansive? Which one felt more exciting or vibrant or alive, or maybe your body lit up a little bit in some way? And which one made you feel more contracted or more pulled back or more resistant? And some things will be easier and more obvious than others, I will say that. So the reason I think part of this came up so earlier, so I've been planning on creating an event, and the little bits and pieces have been coming through. And this morning, as I was walking down to the mailbox and I came back up the driveway, all of a sudden the pieces landed, and it was like, oh, this is it. And for me, it was a full body yes. It was, yay, this makes my heart sing. And then with that energy, like, whew, everything just unfolded really quickly. And so not every decision in your life is going to be a yes, full body yes, or a no, this feels horrible, but you're going to get a sense. Do you want to go towards it? Does this feel good? And does it not? And if it doesn't, if you feel maybe neutral or not contracted, you might need a little more time to kind of sit with it. But as you start to play with this and start to check in with yourself, every time, your body's always, your body, your soul, your higher self, your intuition is always trying to connect with you and help guide you. And we'll be very happy if when you start paying attention. So I hope this helps, and let me know how it goes. Give it a try.